This is Madhuri. In this video, I am going to teach about trigonometric identities and exercise 11.4. So there are three trigonometric identities. Sin square a plus cos square a equals to 1, secant square a minus tan square a equals to 1, cosecant square a minus cot square a equals to 1. Now with the help of these three trigonometric identities, let us solve exercise 11.4. So what is the first sum here? Evaluate the following. First bit in this, 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. So 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta can be written as 1 by tan theta minus cosecant theta equals to 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into, here we are taking LCM. So 1 into tan theta plus 1 minus tan theta into cosecant theta, that equals to 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta. Since this tan theta into cosecant theta can be written as tan theta means sin theta by cos theta into cosecant theta means 1 by sin theta. Now this sin theta is cancelled. So what is remaining here? 1 by cos theta. So 1 by cos theta can be written as secant theta. 1 by cos theta means secant theta. So now 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into tan theta plus 1. Now in the place of tan theta into cos theta, what we can write here? Secant theta by tan theta, that equals to 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into tan theta plus 1 minus secant theta by tan theta. Now we have to take tan theta common, that equals to, now it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So what is the formula for a plus b into a minus b? A plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square. Now it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square. This is the formula. So now that equals to, what is a here? 1 plus tan theta whole square minus, what is b? Secant theta whole square by tan theta, that equals to, plus tan theta whole square is in the form of a plus b whole square. What is the formula for a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. What is a here? A 1 square means 1 plus b. What is b here? Tan theta. Tan square theta plus 2 into 1 into tan theta means 2 into tan theta minus secant square theta by tan theta, that equals to 1 plus 2 tan theta minus secant square theta. Taking here minus common, so plus tan theta becomes minus tan square theta by tan theta equals to 1 plus 2 tan theta minus, since secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. So here we are writing 1 by tan theta. Now here plus 1 minus 1 is cancelled. That equals to, what is remaining here? 2 tan theta by tan theta. Now this tan theta is cancelled. So what is the answer here? 2 is the answer. Next, second bit. What is the question? Sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 into sin theta into cos theta plus, this is in the form of a minus b whole square. Square theta plus cos square theta minus into sin theta cos theta. Now this plus sin theta plus 2 into sin theta cos theta and minus 2 into sin theta cos theta both are cancelled. So that equals sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta plus cos square theta. So that equals to, so here sin square theta plus sin square theta, sin square theta plus sin square theta, 2 sin square theta plus cos square theta plus cos square theta, 2 cos square theta, that equals to, now we have to take here 2 common, 2 into sin square theta plus cos square theta. So what is the identity here? Sin square a plus cos square a equals to 1. So 2 into sin square theta plus cos square theta means 2 into 1. That equals to 2 into 1 equals to 2. This is the solution. Third bit. What is given here? Secant square theta minus 1 into cosecant square theta minus 1. So this can be written as, since what is the identity here? Identity secant square a minus tan square a equals to 1. So this can be written as secant square theta minus 1 equals to tan square theta. So secant square theta, this plus 1 goes here, so becomes minus. Now this minus tan theta becomes here plus tan theta. Secant square theta minus 1 equals to tan square theta. So in the same way, this can be written as cosecant square minus 1 equals to cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. In the same manner, we can write this as cosecant square theta minus 1 equals to cot square theta. Secant square theta minus 1 equals to cot square theta. So in the place of secant square theta minus 1, what we can write here? That equals to tan square theta into cosecant square theta minus 1 means square theta. That equals to tan square theta into this cot square theta can be written as 1 by tan square theta. So this tan square theta is cancelled. So 1 is the solution. So next question. Show that cosecant theta minus cot square theta equals to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So here LHS equals to left hand side equals to, what is left hand side here? Cosecant theta minus cot square theta whole square. That equals, the cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta minus cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta whole square. That equals to 1 minus cos theta. Now here sin theta common. That equals to 1 minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. That equals to minus cos theta whole square by sin theta whole square. That equals to 1 minus cos theta whole square as it is by this sin theta whole square can be written as sin square theta. That equals to 1 minus cos theta whole square by, now this sin square theta can be written as, since sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta, that equals to 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. So this sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta by 1 minus cos square theta. That equals to 1 minus cos theta whole square as it is. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square. So the formula for a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. So 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Now this 1 minus cos theta whole square is cancelled. 1 minus cos theta is cancelled. So what is remaining here? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. That equals to RHS. Therefore, LHS equals to RHS. Therefore, cosecant theta, what is LHS here? Cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square equals to, what is RHS? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. This is the solution. Third problem. Show that 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A under root equals to secant A plus tan A. So here LHS equals to 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A under root. That equals to, since here multiply numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin A under root. So we are multiplying numerator and denominator with 1 plus sin A under root. So that equals to 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A under root. That equals to 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A means 1 plus sin A whole square by, so this is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So what is the formula for a minus b into a plus b? A square minus b square. So here 1 minus sin square a under root. That equals to, now we have to separate this root. 1 plus sin a whole square under root by 1 minus sin square a under root. This square root is cancelled. So what is remaining here? 1 plus sin a by, now this 1 minus sin square a can be written as, since 1 minus sin square a equals to cos square a. So this 1 minus sin square a can be written as cos square a. Cos square a under root. Now this square root is cancelled. So what is remaining here? 1 plus sin A by cos A, because square and root is cancelled. So 1 plus sin A by cos A. Now we can write this separately. So 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. We are separating this. So 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. So 1 by cos A means secant A plus sin A by cos A means tan A. So this is RHS, which is equals to RHS. This is only we have to prove. Secant A plus tan A. Therefore LHS equals to RHS. What is LHS here? 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A under root equals to what is RHS? Secant A plus tan A. This is the solution. Now example 15, which is similar to this third problem, is given here. Prove that 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta under root, which is equals to cosecant theta plus cot theta, comma 0 less than or equals to theta less than or equals to 90 degrees. So what is LHS here? LHS equals to 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta under root. So in the same manner here also we are multiplying numerator and denominator by 1 plus cos theta under root. So 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta under root is equals to 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta means 1 plus cos theta whole square under root by 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. This is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So 1 minus, what is the formula? A square minus b square. So here a is 1. 1 minus cos square theta under root. Here we are separating this both. That equals to this square and root is cancelled. So square and root is cancelled. What is remaining here? 1 plus cos theta. That equals to 1 plus cos theta. Now this 1 minus cos square theta can be written as sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta. So sin square theta under root. Square root is cancelled. That equals to 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. That equals to, now we have to separate this. 1 by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta. 1 by sin theta means cosecant theta. Cos theta by sin theta means cot theta, which is equals to RHS. Therefore LHS equals to RHS. So therefore what is LHS here? 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta under root, which is equals to RHS. What is RHS? Cosecant theta plus cot theta. This is a solution. Now fourth problem. Show that 1 minus tan square a by 1 minus tan square a by cot square a minus 1 equals to, what we have to show here? Tan square a. Now LHS. Now this is LHS. What is LHS? 1 minus tan square a by cot square a minus 1. So this can be written as 1 minus, so tan square a can be written as 1 minus sin square a by cos square a, because here square is given. So sin square a by cos square a. Now cot square a can be written as cot square a by sin square a. Cos square a by sin square a minus 1. That equals to, now here we have to take the LCM. 1 into cos square a means cos square a by sin square a as it is by cos square a by cos square a minus 1 into sin square a by what is remaining here? By sin square a. That equals to cos square, this can be written as cos square a minus sin square a by cos square a into, this sin square a goes up, into sin square a by cos square a minus sin square a. Now this cos square a minus sin square a and this cos square minus sin square a both are cancelled. Equals to, what is remaining here? Sin square a by cos square a. So sin square a by cos square a means tan square a. This is the RHS, which is equals to RHS. Therefore LHS equals to RHS. What is LHS here? Therefore 1 minus tan square a by cot square a minus 1 equals to, what is RHS? Tan square a. This is the solution. So let us discuss example 13. So show that cot theta plus tan theta equals to secant theta into cosecant theta. What is LHS here? What we have to show here? Cot theta plus tan theta equals to secant theta into cosecant theta. So LHS equals to cot theta plus tan theta equals to cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. Cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta plus tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Now we have to take LCM here. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta plus sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta by sin theta into cos theta. Here we are taking LCM. So sin theta into cos theta means here cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta plus sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. Since sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So that equals to, here we should write this as a sin square theta plus sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta. Since what is there here? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. That equals to 1 by, what is remaining here? Sin theta into cos theta. Now we have to separate this 1, that equals to 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta. That equals to 1 by sin theta means cosecant theta into 1 by cos theta means secant theta. What we have to prove here? Secant theta into cosecant theta. Now we can write this as secant theta into cosecant theta. That equals to RHS. Therefore, LHS equals to RHS. What is LHS here? Therefore, cot theta plus tan theta equals to, what is RHS? Secant theta into cosecant theta. This is the solution.